How to fix Shopify shipping not available for the selected address. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Shopify shipping not available for the selected address. First, open the Play Store on your device and search for Shopify. Check if the Shopify app is updated. If there's an update available, tap on Update to get the latest version. Next, go to your mobile device's settings and select Connections. Ensure your internet connection is stable. To do this, turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. If that doesn't solve the issue, try turning on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off and turn your Wi-Fi back on. After that, return to the main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Find and select Shopify from the list of apps. Tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. Next, tap on Clear Data to reset the app's settings. Go back to the main settings menu and select Software Update. Ensure your device's software is up to date. If there's an update available, tap on Download and Install. Finally, restart your device to apply any changes. After restarting, check if shipping options are now available for your address in Shopify.